Welcome back to the channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2024 Suzuki GSX-8R, a true masterpiece in the world of sport bikes. If you're a fan of speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the aesthetics. The 2024 GSX-8R boasts a sleek and aggressive design, with sharp lines and aerodynamic contours. The front features a stacked LED headlights that not only enhances visibility at night but also adds to the bike's overall futuristic appeal. Now, let's talk power. The heart of the GSX-8R is a high-performance engine that delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. The GSX-8R is powered by the same 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin as the GSX-8S, claiming a peak output of 81.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 57.5 lb-ft at 6,800 RPM. It shares the same 270 degrees crankshaft as the GSX-8S and V-Strom 800s, giving it an engine character similar to a V-twin. This bike is ready to unleash its full potential on the open road. Suzuki hasn't held back when it comes to technology. The GSX-8R is equipped with the latest innovations, including a state-of-the-art TFT display that provides riders with crucial information at a glance. The bike also features advanced rider assist systems, ensuring a safe and enjoyable riding experience. The GSX-8R isn't just about straight-line speed, it's designed to conquer corners with precision. For a sportier ride, the 2024 Suzuki GSX-8R has upgraded Showa suspension. The fork is the SFF-BP model, separate function fork, big piston, which has a large damping cartridge in one leg and the spring in the other. This bike a joy to ride, whether you're navigating city streets or attacking the twists and turns of your favorite winding roads. The brakes remain the same dual 4-piston radial mount Nissan calipers at the front with 310mm discs allied to a single-piston rear and 240mm rotor, as are the 17-inch wheels and the aluminum swing arm. Long rides are made comfortable with the thoughtfully designed ergonomics of the GSX-8R. The seating position strikes a balance between sportiness and comfort, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys without compromising on performance. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki GSX-8R is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to delivering top-notch performance and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of sport bikes, the GSX-8R is sure to leave you with a smile on your face every time you hit the road. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.